Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys already know that season 5 update of Marvel Rivals is finally out and Rivals porting is broken again. But this time the asset tabs are working fine but the animations are broken. Let me show you an example. Go to the Marvel, content, Marvel and then characters folders. Here we will go to the 1058 folder, which is the folder of Gambit, the new agent that has come in Marvel Rivals, and then we will just click on this 1058.001 and then go to the animations. And here if I try to export any emotes or any other animation, let me show you. Just click on this lobby emote animation and then press export button. You can see that it is not been exported into Blender and it is giving a huge error. And believe me guys, the fix for this error is really easy. You just need to use the updated mapping file and this will get fixed. And also make sure not to use Blender 5.0 because some animation changes has been made to it, therefore the Rivals porting plugin is not working. It's better to use Blender 4.5, then your animations will work right. So if you have updated to Blender 5.0, then please make sure to downgrade it to Blender 4.5. Okay, so this will fix your animations. So friends, for downloading the updated mapping files, you just need to go to the F-model server and here you need to go to the game compatibility option and here you need to search Marvel Rivals. A discussion page will open, just click on it and here below you can find season 5 latest mapping has been uploaded by some developer and he is really good guy. He always uploads the latest mapping as soon as possible. So make sure to download this mapping from here. So for applying this mapping files into Rivals porting application, we just need to go to this settings option and then click on this installation option. And here you can see all the options are unlocked for me. But if it is locked for you, you can just change the profile from default to custom and this option will be unlocked for you. Just add the archive directory, add the AES key, which you can find again in that same Discord server of F model server. And here you need to change the mapping files. Okay, right now you can see I am using season 4 mapping file, which is not good. So just click on this folder and I have downloaded my mapping files in downloads folder. Here you can see deport Marvel season 5 mapping files. This is the latest mapping. Just select it and then press open button and you can see your mapping will change into season 5 mappings. Okay, now once you have done this, just close your app and then restart your Rivals porting application and your animation will be fixed. Let me show you. So friends, as you can see that we have already imported Gambit 3D model. So for applying animation, we will just select his bones and then go to our Rivals porting application. 1058 is the folder of Gambit. So we will go to its animation folder and then we will import and emote animation. So we will just select emote and then press export button and wait for some time. Let's see if this animation works or not. So you can see the pose has been changed and if I play the animation, you can see animation is working fine. So right now the animation is working fine. So I am currently using Blender 4.5. Blender 5.0 has some problems, so it's better to use an older version. Blender 5.0 has some problems in animation and they have changed a little bit how to make animation, so it's better to use older version and again your animation will work fine. So yeah, that was all for today's video guys. If you like my video, make sure to subscribe my channel. Till then guys, goodbye, see you later.